my chicken franks hot dog, guys. Look at this. So delicious. Ang hotdog kasi dito sa America, guys, ang lalaki. Ayan, wow. This is perfect. Hotdog, rice, and egg. Look at that. Guys, thank you for watching here in Organic Life 101. God bless everyone sa mga nanonood sa video ko. Okay. Kakaiba kasing hotdog dito eh. Chicken franks yan eh. Yan, chicken franks. Foster Farm. Family owned since 1939. Wow, matagal na pala to, guys. Sarap nito. But, a disclaimer lang, guys. Ang hotdog sa Amerika ay malalaki. Favorite lang yan ng mother-in-law ko. Pero yung hotdog sa Philippines, maliliit. may malalaki din, pero mostly yan ang lalaki. Ito, perfect na to. Perfect hotdog.
Okay. Oh, yummy, Mom.
Yeah, of course. Always yummy that.
Hotdog.
Sa Philippines, tender juicy hotdog. Ang CDO. Masarap ko talaga yung tender juicy hotdog. But you know what, guys? Dito yan sa Amerika, yung tender juicy na yan. Punta ka sa Seafood City. Ay, ang mamahal niya, guys. Ilang peraso lang yata? 12? About $4. My goodness. It's already about 200 pesos. I mean, yeah, 200 pesos. If it is the conversion is $50 per ano. Ay, tumalon yung isa. Oh well, guys, ito na yung ating hotdog. Nakikita natin sa paligid ng ating mga hotdog, mayroon tayong green salsa verde at we have also some tomato salsa. So this is our hotdog for today. Hotdog picky. So guys, this is it. Hope you enjoy. Let's taste this one. This is not an ordinary hotdog. This is so delicious.
Regardless of that food coat.
Yummy. Good. Good food. Yeah.